Hello everybody and welcome back to another Roblox video and back into another obby horror game video of Roblox. Today in this one we're going to be playing another horror game called Escape Miss Andy Tourist Attention. And obviously this is our third horror game obby. This is our third obby game that on Roblox that we're playing. Before we get started, make sure to click the like button, subscribe if you're new, and put the comment down below to let me know. And let's get to the video. Alright, so this is where we start from. Okay. Alright, students. Today we will turn off the fire alarm. Alright, let's get out of here. Yep, out. Oh. Was that the wrong choice? There! Yeah, it is! Alright. I'm out. Alright. Ah! What are you doing here? Oh god, alright, I'm out. Who's quacking over there? Oh, what the? Oh, there's a ducky. Alright. Okay. Ooh, okay, alright, I'm out. Yeah, I kinda like that. It's kinda like the ducks from Dark Deception. And hey, I can— oh, what was that? Oh, no, teacher, get away! Okay, I'm out of here. Alright, into the cafeteria you go. Let's just get out of here. We're almost into the end. Let's make it okay. Alright, there you are. What are you sounding like? Holy crap, he sounds so loud! He sounds so— no, go! Now, go! What? We were studying doing the whole night? Holy crap. Yeah, get in on the bus. I don't want to study way too long to have it like that. Oh god, oh my god, you're still evil! Holy crap, no. You can't swim out here! God, it's not even that water! Ooh! Oh, he's on a shadow! Ooh! Oh! Get out of my way! Drive the car! Drive it! Oh no! Ah! Oh! Wow! Oh! Oh! Get out of here! Oh! Oh! Why is the bus driving like that? That is not how the bus drives like that. What is that? What is that? Alright. Okay. Alright. Well. Alright, well, I'm gonna end this video right here since we made it to the congrats. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then click that like button, subscribe if you're new, and put the comment down below to let me know. And until next time, I will see you in the next video. Alright. Now, let's see what we have here.